All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here the Rubik's Cube Foundation has decided they want to develop the ultimate cube. I don't know what that is, but it sounds awesome. To do this, they've decided to sell pies and cakes to raise money. Good plan. Everyone likes pies and cakes. Every time that the Rubik's Cube Foundation sells a pie, they make $3.50 in profit. Every time the Rubik's Cube Foundation sells a cake, they make $4.25 in profit. The goal of the Rubik's Cube Foundation is to raise $2,004,679. Wow, that's gonna be a lot of cakes and pies. Okay. It says, please write an inequality that tells the story. Oh, cool. So this is just translating. We don't actually have to solve it. They just want us to kind of tell the story. So let's kind of think about this logically. There's two sides of the story. In the end, we have a goal, right? That's like the money that we want to make. And then on the other side, it's kind of like how we're going to make money, all right? So we have a goal, and this is like how we make money. So how we make dough. Get it? Cakes, pies. Okay. How we make money. Sorry. All right. Forgive me for that, guys. I can't turn it off. These dad jokes won't stop. So, all right, what's our goal? Well, we know our goal is $2,004,679. Okay. But how do we get there? All right. So we know that when they do a pie, they get $3.50. So $3.50. But how many pies? Well, we don't know. That's just an unknown in math or in algebra. We have an unknown. We just write P. Okay? And on top of that, we also have cakes to sell. Oh, yeah. So looking at these cakes, well, we know that we get $4.25 per cake. Again, we don't know how many cakes. So C. So this is kind of like the goal, what we want, and this is the money we're going to get. Now, this is where the question, we got to be careful here. It says we're going to put an inequality here, right? So if we're going to put an inequality, I'm going to go here. Our options are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than and equal to. Now, think about this. This is the money you're going to make, and this is your goal. Do you want the money you're going to make to be smaller than your goal? Well, no, of course not. So you're not going to use these ones, right? Okay. Do you want the money that you're going to make to be bigger than your goal? Yeah, that would be awesome, right? Like if we had $5 million, we'd be even happier. We could make an even more ultimate cube, right? So the money you make can certainly be bigger than your goal, right? But what if you just nail it? You get that exactly. Would that be okay? Yeah, sure. You met your goal perfectly, so it could be equal to. And that is actually it. That tells the whole story. That's translating this story just into a nice, efficient bit of mathematics, right? The profit from our pies plus the profits from our cakes, we want to be greater than or at least equal to our goal to make the ultimate cube. All right, and good job. As always, subscribe below if you want to be notified when more amazing math problems are coming down the pipeline. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I can. Thank you. Bye.